Best reasoning puzzles, max puzzles. 14 hash 13 equal to 9. Why it is 14 hash 13 equal to 9? Let's see. 1 plus 4. How much? 5. Again 1 plus 3. 4. Hash means plus. 5 plus 4. 9. Again 2 plus 7. 9. 3 plus 6. 9. Hash means plus. 9 plus 9. 18. 5 plus 4 equal to 9. 9 plus 9 equal to 18. Again 4 plus 6. 10. Hash means plus. 3 plus 1. 4. 10 plus 4 equal to 14. Question mark means 14. 14 means 14. Thank you.